This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Ethereum. Ethereum got my attention trading up here near the, let's put it here, the R3 Camarilla pivot level, which is here. My trade idea was an R3 to an S3 traverse. And then we'll come down here to the weekly for a top-down analysis. So this, the current strong low is back here in this area. This is the previous strong low, and this is the previous week high. We can see here in these two candles, we get a market structure shift to the short side on Ethereum. So showing weakness here, and then it continues to sell off and test this current strong low. Now we've gotten some pullback with a double top or a flat top here forming here on the weekly. Here on the 4-hour chart, we have a strong, or this being the previous, let's walk this out. What is this? The high of this candle, 2664. What's the close of this candle? Okay, this needs to shift here. Okay. And then this shifts here. Okay. Now we have here on the 4-hour, this being the current strong low, this being the current week high. We can see here on the entry of the trade, sometimes my lines get messed up whenever in between days or different windows, so I've got to double check these because sometimes the old levels will show up instead of the new levels. So we can see here on the entry, pretty high up in the range, and then for profit target, right here in the middle of the range. Up here on the 15-minute, I'll walk you through the entry. This is a Fibonacci retracement tool, using it to dial in my entries. So we can see here in the morning, this range here, with this being the strong low and this being the week high for the opening range here for market structure on Ethereum. And again, this being the R3 Camarilla pivot level. We can see here in this candle, on this set of candles here, we get a market structure shift here to the short side on Ethereum. So now we'll be waiting for a pullback for a continuation. And this is when I would put the Fibonacci retracement tool up here from the high into this order block down here to the low that would initiate the pullback, which would give me an entry up in this level here. And then we can see I take an entry or take two entries here in this candle, and then take another entry here. This was just to equalize risk with the other trades. I took two small positions here, and then put on a full size position here, and put my stop for this position right above this high here. And we can see afterwards we get a sell-off here, but the target level is not met. And then we can see here, I'll put a level up. So this would be the new week high here, and this would be the new strong high right here, based on market structure here. This would be the new strong high. This here would be the new week low. So here, we'll zoom in. I'll show you my exit. So with this being the strong high and this being the week low, we can see the price action come back up and close with this candle here closing above, and then the breakout and continuation. So here would have been a good point to exit, but I decided to wait with this candle closing back below the previous week or the previous strong high. But then price action continued back long, so I took an exit here as this market structure shift happens here to the long side while I'm in a short trade. And then if we zoom out, we can see that this level, the target level, was never reached, and then we just get pulled back, some consolidation, and now we get price action headed back to the long side. So this was my trade on Ethereum, and this is On Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.